ClearStream 2V from Antennas Direct has a range of up to 50 miles, giving you the ability to receive a multitude of free, high-definition local broadcast networks with expanded programming. The ClearStream 2V can be installed indoors, in your attic, or outdoors, and comes with everything you see here. Today, we will focus on exterior installation. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, a power drill with a 3/16 drill bit, ratcheting drivers sized 8 and 10 millimeters, and some coaxial cable. First, attach the antenna base to the center of the reflector and click securely in place. Next, place the U-bolt behind the back plate of the mast clamp and attach using the 3.5-inch bolt into the base. Thread the loop element on by turning clockwise. Make sure the hole on the base is aligned with the coaxial cable port on the element loop. Secure the mast clamp using the 1 5/8 threaded bolt. Tighten both bolts using a screwdriver. Attach the rest of the mast clamp assembly and secure loosely with wing nuts. Using the coaxial cable provided, thread one end into the UHF in connector on the VHF dipole kit. You will then attach the dipole kit onto the first and second bar of the reflector, pushing down until the kit clicks securely in place. Now, place the other end of the coaxial cable with the weather boot through the antenna base and insert into the back of the loop element. Once connected, slide the weather boot over the connection. Now it's time to assemble the J-mount mast. Attach the J-mount mast to the mount base using the hex bolts and nuts. Before installing the antenna outdoors, it is important to test the antenna in a location that offers the clearest possible view in the direction of the broadcast towers, avoiding placement around tall trees and buildings. Connect one end of your own coaxial cable into the UHF VHF out connector on the dipole kit, and the other end into your television. Position the antenna so that it's facing the broadcast towers. Then, on your television, make sure that your input is set to antenna or air, and then scan for channels. If you are not receiving signals for the available channels, you may need to reposition your antenna and rescan. Mark the mast base position on your desired surface. Then, drill a 1.5-inch deep hole with a 3/16 drill bit for each mounting bolt. Next, place ceiling pads over each drill hole. Push an indentation into each of the ceiling pads so that you can see where you drilled the holes. Then, place the base on top of the ceiling pads and use a ratchet or drill to tighten the bolts. Before installing your antenna, make sure the mast is adjusted so that it's vertical. Slide the antenna over the top of the mast and tighten loosely into place. Raise the dipoles and place the mount base end cap onto the J-mount mast. Turn your antenna in the direction which resulted in the most channels during your test scan. It is important to rescan your TV for the available channels once the antenna is installed. And that's it! You are now ready to receive free over-the-air television with unsurpassed quality compared to cable or satellite.